How to manage your cart on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a way to manage your cart on Temu, then here's how you do it in super simple way. First things first, launch open any web browser and type in temu.com in the URL box and search. Also make sure that you're logged into your temu.com account by entering your correct login credentials. Once you're signed into the home page of Temu, go ahead and click on the cart icon which is displayed at the top right corner. You'll then be taken to your shopping cart where you'll be able to see all the items that you've added to the cart. If you want to change the quantity of the product that is already on your cart, go ahead and find the product and click on the quantity drop-down right next to it and select the quantity you want to change to. To remove an item from the cart, simply go find the trash icon right next to the product and click on it. The selected product will then be removed from your cart. Repeat this process in order to delete all of your items in the cart so that you can clear it out. That is how you can easily manage your cart on Temu.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.